Hi guys, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am back with my another mixed media page, and I created this page for Lindy's monthly challenge. All the products used will be listed down in the description area. Do check it out, including the Lindy's sprays. I used a lot of stamping in this project, from numbers to text stamps to a lot of them. Since YouTube is changing its algorithm, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you like, you can also comment, and do make sure you press that bell icon so that you don't miss an update. In this video, you can see I use gesso a lot of times. You can see how I use gesso to make the layers in between the stamps and the colors. You can also see how I create a blurry effect with the gesso in between the colors. This is a very good technique if you want to use only colors to build the layers. Hope you guys like these kind of easy and simple techniques which I use in my projects so that you can use in yours. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up. We'll use the butterfly from Dress My Craft, and these beautiful flowers are from Paper Charms by Shweta. She is an amazing artist. Go check her out on her Instagram. And if you want to see these vellum flowers, how I made them, the technique, I'll upload a video for this too. You can check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed as well as I did, and you have come up till here, so make sure you check out the still photos at the end of the project. Thank you.